Beneath the vast expanse of the world's oceans lies a hidden world, teeming with life and mysteries that have captivated human imagination for centuries. The surface of the ocean is just the beginning. It's like the entrance to a grand palace, with each layer of water revealing something more incredible than the last. Imagine a place where light barely penetrates, where creatures have adapted to survive in complete darkness, and where the landscape is as alien as the surface of a distant planet. This is the ocean's hidden world, a realm so vast and complex that it defies full understanding, yet it beckons explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike. The journey into this hidden world begins in the sunlight zone, the uppermost layer of the ocean, where sunlight still reaches. Here, life is abundant and diverse. Schools of fish dart around coral reefs that bloom with colors so vivid they seem otherworldly. These reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are bustling with activity. Tiny shrimp clean the scales of larger fish, while octopuses camouflage themselves among the rocks to avoid predators. It's a lively, colorful world, and yet it is only a thin veil over the deeper, darker layers below. As we descend into the twilight zone, the light begins to fade. This region, also known as the mesopelagic zone, is a place where the sun's rays struggle to penetrate. The water here is colder, and the creatures are stranger. Fish with bioluminescent bodies drift through the dim light, their glowing patterns like stars in the night sky. These creatures have adapted to their shadowy environment in ways that are as fascinating as they are eerie. Some, like the lanternfish, have developed light-producing organs that help them communicate or lure prey. Others, such as the deep-sea squid, use their ability to emit light as a defense mechanism, creating a blinding flash to confuse predators. Continuing downwards, we enter the midnight zone, where the darkness is almost absolute. Here, the pressure is intense, and the temperature plummets. This is a world beyond light, where the absence of the sun has led to the evolution of some of the most bizarre and fascinating creatures on the planet. The anglerfish, with its grotesque, gaping mouth and a glowing lure that dangles from its head, is one of the most iconic inhabitants of this zone. It lures unsuspecting prey into its jaws with the promise of light in a place where light is scarce. Then there are the gulper eels, with their enormous mouths that can open wide enough to swallow creatures larger than themselves. The adaptations seen here are a testament to life's resilience and creativity in the face of extreme conditions. But the journey doesn't end here. Deeper still is the abyssal zone, a region so remote and inhospitable that it was long thought to be devoid of life. However, as technology has improved and our exploration of the deep ocean has expanded, we've discovered that life thrives even here. Tube worms and other organisms cluster around hydrothermal vents, which are cracks in the ocean floor that spew superheated water rich in minerals. These vents create an oasis of life in an otherwise barren landscape. The organisms here rely not on sunlight but on chemosynthesis, a process that allows them to convert the chemicals from the vents into energy. It's a stark reminder of how life can find a way in even the most unlikely of places. The ocean floor itself is a place of mystery. It's not just a flat, sandy expanse, but a landscape as varied and dramatic as the land above. There are towering underwater mountains, deep trenches, and vast plains. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans, plunges down nearly 36,000 feet. It's a place where the pressure is so extreme that few creatures can survive, and yet even here, life exists. The creatures that live in these deep trenches are some of the most mysterious of all. They are often small, with bodies designed to withstand crushing pressure and freezing temperatures. Their existence challenges our understanding of what life can endure. This hidden world is also home to some of the ocean's most ancient inhabitants. Creatures like the coelacanth, a fish thought to have been extinct for millions of years until it was rediscovered in 1938, remind us of how little we know about the deep sea. These living fossils, along with others like the giant squid and the elusive megamouth shark, are relics of a time long past, surviving in the depths where few dare to venture. Yet, despite the wonders of this hidden world, it remains largely unexplored. More than 80% of the ocean is still unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. This vast, uncharted territory holds countless secrets. What we have discovered is just a fraction of what lies beneath the waves. There could be entire ecosystems, unknown species, and natural wonders that have yet to be seen by human eyes. The deep ocean is the final frontier on our planet, a place where science and mystery meet. The challenges of exploring the deep sea are immense. The pressure at such depths is crushing, and the cold is intense. Even with modern technology, sending vessels or instruments to these depths is a complex and expensive endeavor. Yet, the rewards of such exploration are immeasurable. Every new discovery adds to our understanding of life on Earth and the history of our planet. The deep sea is also a source of inspiration, fueling imaginations and inspiring stories, art, and even new scientific inquiries. The ocean's hidden world is not just a place of scientific interest, it's also a place of profound beauty. The creatures that live there, with their bioluminescent displays and unique adaptations, are like living works of art. The landscapes, though alien and often stark, have a haunting beauty that speaks to the power and mystery of nature. This world, though hidden from view, is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the endless possibilities that exist in the natural world. But this hidden world is also fragile. The deep sea is affected by human activities in ways that are not always immediately apparent. Deep sea mining, pollution, and climate change are beginning to reach even the most remote parts of the ocean. These activities threaten the delicate balance of life in the deep sea, potentially causing harm to ecosystems that we are only just beginning to understand. Protecting the ocean's hidden world is a responsibility that we must take seriously. It is not only a treasure trove of biodiversity but also a crucial part of the Earth's system that regulates climate and supports life on a global scale. As we continue to explore and learn more about the ocean's hidden world, we are reminded of the vastness of our planet and the mysteries that still remain. The deep sea is a place where the known meets the unknown, where the boundaries of our understanding are constantly being pushed. It's a place that challenges our perceptions of life and survival, and that inspires us to keep asking questions and seeking answers. In the end, the ocean's hidden world is a testament to the wonder of the natural world. It's a place that reminds us of the beauty, complexity, and resilience of life. It's a world that, despite being hidden from view, plays a vital role in the health and stability of our planet. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. And as long as there are mysteries in the deep, there will be explorers ready to dive into the unknown, seeking to uncover the secrets of the ocean's hidden world.